Hello, so today I'm going to show you how you can import your MonsterOne Elementor templates on your WordPress Elementor website. So first of all, log into your website, then go to Elementor plugins, add the Elementor, and then go to Elementor tools, and go import and export. Import a template kit section, then click start import, and then select the file. Elementor kit, confirm, and then click on next. It can show you sometimes this type of pop-up. Just enable it. It will take some time. Okay, after some time you can see the kit is live now. So our template kit has been applied. Let's see it live. Okay, you can see the contents has been applied, but we will have to switch our theme to Elementor, Hello Elementor. Right now our theme is different, that's why it's showing both. We'll need to add the theme. Hello Elementor, install it, and then we'll need to activate it. After activating, you can see the website is fully showing like same as the template file, right? So this is how you can import one MonsterOne templates on your Elementor website. Thank you.